Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another video.
Hey mommy, how are you?
Good.
What do we have today?
So what we have today is a Discovery Putty creation.
Ooh, what is that?
So these are all putties, and look, these can change color.
Ooh, okay.
And I have my slimes that I made myself in here.
Okay. You did that yourself?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And I have this.
Oh, is that blue?
Yeah.
Nice. Is it sticky or is it perfect? Is it
It's
a perfect
perfect.
texture?
It's perfect texture. It doesn't. It's not sticky. It's a great texture.
Okay. Okay.
And then we have these over here.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is my exclusive one. This one is called the what is it called? I forgot what it's called, but it's
looks like
very
candy.
Pretty. Yeah, candy slime. Candy
I
slime.
wonder what it smells like. Let me smell it. That smells good.
The dogs are going crazy right there. But anyways, and yeah, this one's not sticky either.
Yeah.
It has a great texture.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little teeny tiny bit sticky, but
Okay.
has the best texture.
Oh, do that again? Oh. Okay. And what else you have?
And I also have this slime. It's actually, it looks pink, right?
Mm-hmm.
But look, it's gold.
Ooh, a gold slime. I don't think I've ever seen a gold slime.
Don't pour it
That is
out.
awesome. Perfect. It even got glitter in it. Look at that.
Yeah, we're going to play with these at the end of the video. So, yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, let's get right into this video. Wait, but before we get into this video, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And comment down below, which slime do you think is the best?
Okay.
The putty or these slimes?
Okay, let's see what's inside.
I prefer this one. And that one. And the gold one.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Let's see what's inside the Discovery Putty Creations.
I can't get it open.
Oh, man.
I think I got it, though.
Okay.
We were on quarantine and I was kind of bored. So then my mom went to the store with the mask and for protection.
Okay.
And
You almost got it open?
And she came back with some stuff for herself and for the house. But she also got me this, and she got me something for the next video. It's a secret though. So, yeah.
Okay.
And
Let me see if I can try to open it.
I think I got it. I'm getting it.
Is the tape just right there or all across? There you go. Good job, mommy.
Ooh, the putty. It looks weird.
You may have to clear the table so you could put those on there.
So
You clear the table for now, and then you put.
I put back in the box. I don't need instructions.
I think you have it upside down, mommy.
I know. I do.
Oh, cool. You got glitter to go with it. Oh, you get the purple and the blue glitter, gold.
That's clay, and this is glitter.
Okay. Can you get them out?
Oh, it has a thing on it. And it has tape on it. I think.
Beast mode. Beast mode. Ah, there you go. Good job, Mimi. You did it. Now it's open. Now you gotta get into these little things.
Darn it.
Okay, open it and see. Let's see what's inside.
I knew this was gonna be hard.
Let me see.
You can twist it, but you...
Oh, there you
That
go.
was easy.
That was easy.
It's in a
this
plastic bag.
Slime in a plastic bag? I've never seen that
I
before.
don't remember seeing that.
Okay, so I think you have to put water on that.
No.
No?
It's putty. It's supposed to be like this.
Oh, it's putty. Okay.
Wait, should I mix all of these up?
Thought it was slime.
It is slime.
No. Let me see. Don't mix all of them.
Ooh. This one is called white.
What is it? Oh, that's a white one. Oh, don't make a mess.
At the end of the video, we're going to play with the real slime.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this is not fake, but you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to line them up right here.
Okay.
And put all these, close them back up. I wonder what this one is.
I would say blue.
Nope, white.
Another white one. Why would they put two white? Well, you know what? You could combine the two whites together.
Yeah.
And make it bigger.
Yeah. But
unless you want to keep it separate.
No, it's the same thing.
Whoa.
It turns a different color when you stretch it out.
Oh.
Wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these two are going to go together. If we find a lot of purples and a lot of whites and no other color, that's going to be crazy.
Okay.
Now, I wonder if this is purple. I bet it is. It's white.
Another white one? What?
Are these all white?
It looks
and
like
only
it.
One purple?
They're all white, Nene. Oh, no.
Look, it's like when you stretch it out, it turns a different color. It turns to a lighter.
Oh, okay. Okay. And let's see the other one.
This better not be white.
I hope
If
not.
it's white, I will.
I really hope not. But you know what? You have the glitter stuff. You could mix in with it. No, it's not white. Let me see. Oh, it's white, Jania. Okay. That's not fair. They should have put different colors in there.
I'm just mixing them all.
Yeah, just combine them all because it's all the same. It's kind of tough, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of tough.
I think combining them wasn't a good idea.
It is, because now it's bigger.
It's still stretchy?
Yeah, it's still
okay.
Stretchy.
Okay. All
Okay,
right.
there's only one purple, though.
I know.
I want more purple.
I know. More colors, please.
Yeah, more colors than just white.
Let's see what they got in the other ones.
Please don't be white. Please don't be white. Please don't. What?
By the looks of it, I think they're gonna be white. We have 2 left.
2 left. Ugh.
Oh no! Please, 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 yellow.
Please.
Let's say yellow. Let's say yellow. No! Don't tell me it's white. Are you kidding me? Ah, Nene. We gotta take it back to the store.
We can't. We already opened it.
I know, right? All white. Only one purple.
If that one is white, I am throwing all of this away. I swear.
No, we can't throw them away. Let's hope it's a different color.
At least I can play with it and turn it a different color.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's probably what they wanted us to do, is turn it a different color with the thing.
Oh, could be, yeah.
Could be the reason why.
Yep.
All white with one purple. Crazy. I'm gonna try to fit it. I'm gonna try to fit it in here.
Mm-hmm.
Shush. Shush, doggies.
It won't fit.
I can get a knife. Something like.
Let's see what's in the other one.
Okay. That one's probably white too. I gotta say.
I hope not. Let's hope it's black.
White or
Or,
some
or another purple or yellow or something.
Because I've got all white and this little bit of purple.
How many cans are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cans.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, okay. 7 cans.
6.
7, the one in your hand.
Oh, oops.
That one makes 7. No, don't tell me it's white. It is white. It is white. Oh, it's okay.
At least we got one purple.
Right.
Terrible.
I know.
What?
So, maybe you're supposed to mix the purple with all of them. Yeah, I think that's what you're supposed to do.
I don't want to do that though. Darn it.
It's too late.
It's fine.
No, it's mix it, mommy.
Just a little bit. Just a little.
Just a little bit. Stretch.
Tomorrow, I'll make another video.
Stretch.
With something special.
Let me feel it. Oh, look at that. Now it's starting to have that purple swirl. You see it?
Mhm.
Yeah, so that's why. I think that was the intention, is to add the purple to it so it could all look all nice. Nice and swirly with purple mix with white. Okay.
You stink, Julie.
Come, show it. And they added the glitter so you could add glitter in it.
Yeah, let's add the glitter. Is this clay?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not clay. It's powdery.
Oh,
So it's
okay.
not clay.
Maybe it's to make some more if you want to. I'm not sure how that's going to turn out.
Yeah, I don't
Try to
think
see if
it's
we can
gonna
add glitter to it and see what happens. Be careful, it's going to spill all over the place.
Open it with my teeth.
Sure, go ahead.
Okay.
Did it open? Let me see.
Don't open it on the same side.
Uh-huh.
Open it on a different side.
Be careful. Careful.
How do you do that?
I have sharper teeth. My teeth, look at it.
I don't want to put too much in there.
Okay, now I'll swirl it. Ooh, that's cool. Awesome.
I think it sticked.
Mm-hmm.
I knew it was going to stick. Did you dare me to put all of this in here?
Go ahead. Combine everything.
It's in there now.
Yeah. And now stretch it all out.
I wish we got more purple.
I know. But it looks like that's enough. Look.
Yeah.
Look how pretty that is.
With the
purple
glitter.
with the white and the glitter.
Shh.
Yep. Now it's starting to turn into something.
It's just
Let me
turning
see.
gray.
Let's take a look now. Let's take a look at it.
Oh, it's kind of turning blue.
It is?
Yeah, look. It's blue.
Okay.
Ooh, gold. Gold. But I really like these ones. They combined into it more.
I wonder how the blue would look if you put... You know what, Mommy? You might want to start playing with the slime because my battery is running low.
Okay.
So, which one of these do you want? Oh, the special one.
Sorry. There's glitter everywhere.
Mm-hmm. It's okay. We'll clean it up later. Come, Mommy. Ooh, gold mine. I don't think it's gonna come out that easy. There you go. You gotta pull it out of there. That's a slime monster.
I have more slimes than just that. I have
monster.
I have more upstairs, but
It looks like a monster hanging on to you and can't let go.
it's kind of sticky actually.
Just get her.
When you play with it more, it gets sticky.
Oh, well, it's coming out real good.
Take the box.
You may want to put more detergent on that.
Yeah.
Because it's too sticky. Try not to get it on the floor.
I think if I just work it.
Think so?
Then it'll. Cause I can't.
Oh, there you go.
My hands.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's all coming together. That is cool, Nene.
This is so hard.
Looks like a cone on both your hands.
Yeah, this looks easy, but it's very hard. It's like.
You have to have some strength.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of sticky. Should have brought the Tide with me.
Do we have some in the laundry room?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, because I think that needs a little bit more Tide.
I think you have to go get it. I think you have to go get it, Daddy.
Little bit more Tide. It's okay. Ooh, God, look at that. It won't come off your hands. Look, it's getting worse.
He'll be right back.
It's getting worse.
He'll be right back. He'll go get the Tide real quick.
Where is it?
Here, I'm coming with you.
It's right here. Jesus. Oh, God.
Wait, I can't use that.
Why not? Jania. That's it. That's the only thing we have. It won't work? You sure?
I'm sure. The Tide is upstairs, actually.
Oh, no.
But I can bring it upstairs. I can bring this upstairs. I can.
Oh, no. You sure you don't want to try the game?
Fine, I'll try it.
Huh? I don't want it to mess it up.
Yeah, that's what it's gonna do, though. So wait,
no.
let me see the color.
Maybe not.
Let me see. Try it a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Careful. Oh.
Stop it. Put a little bit more.
Is it working?
I think so.
Oh.
More. It's working.
It's working.
It's working.
Yay! It's working.
That was my phone.
Okay.
Don't worry about that.
Oh my God, it's working, Nene. Now it's coming off your fingers.
I think I need more.
Are you
Yes,
sure?
I do. It's coming off, but I need more.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm sure.
Let's do one more. A lot or a little?
A lot. Stop.
Okay.
There we go.
That'll do it?
There you go.
It's not gonna spoil?
See my fingers again.
Oh, I can see your fingers. You're not stuck in it anymore.
No, not really. I can get my hands out, I think.
Okay.
I still need more.
But I think we're gonna have to use the whole thing.
No, you can't use
Okay,
the whole
ready?
thing.
1, 2,
3.
There you go. No. Is it messed up?
No, it's not. You just
Okay.
have to keep adding, though. You
I
just...
think we have the wrong thing. Maybe we need the
No,
tide.
no.
Maybe we need tide.
It's okay. It's good, actually.
Mhm.
It's not like how it was before. It's not like you can't see my hands at all.
Mm-hmm.
You can see my hands, but see, look, it's coming off a little bit, but it's staining my hands orange a little bit.
Okay. You need more?
Yeah, so get it off my hand so I can play with that one.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you when to stop. Stop.
Oh.
Wait, somebody's calling me.
Okay. They're gonna have to call back, mommy. You gotta get this off your hands first. There you go. It's starting to come off. No?
They're calling me and I just want to answer it. It's a video chat. Hey, Darren.
Hello?
Hey, Damani.
Help me, Lord Jesus, little girl.
This is messy.
Have bubblegum hands. You bubblegum hands.
I know. It's crazy.
I just made some slime. I cleaned my hand.
You literally just made some slime?
Okay,
Some
say
green slime, some purple slime.
bye, guys. We gotta get this thing off your hands. Plus,
Bye,
Daddy's
guys. We have
phone
to get this off my hand because
and Daddy's battery's running out.
Yeah, because the cameraman's battery is running out.
So, bye.
Bye.
Bye. It won't come off. No, it can't come off, mommy. It's stuck to your hand.
Okay.
You gotta wash your hands.
No, it's okay. I got it.
Okay.